All right, we're going to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. The next slide I think is more important to keep track of the steps. So in order for us to find the determinant, we're going to be using this equation here. And then the steps are below. So a sub 1 is right there. A sub 2 is subtract. And then a sub 3 is add. And then what you're doing is you're taking determinants. So b sub 2, c sub 2, and then b sub 3 and c sub 3. Then you're going to take the determinant of b sub 1 and b sub 3. They're right here. And then last one is b sub 1, c sub 1, and b sub 2 and b sub 2. All right. So these are the steps below. I'm going to go ahead and move my screen down here so you can see it. Those are all the steps that you're going to follow. We're going to move on to the next slide if you want to pause and read them. All right, so here's our example 3. We want to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So there are the 9 elements there. And we're going to follow essentially this equation right here. Okay, so setting it up. Pause if you need to, rewind if you need. We're going to find a sub 1 first, which is 4. And then we're going to take the determinant of those 4 elements. Where are they? It helps to look below in the blue. It's these 4 elements. So 3, 4, 8, and 1. All right, I'm going to erase that. Erase all this. So what we've done so far is this piece. Now I'm going to go on to the green. We're going to take care of that. So minus a sub 2, which is your second element at row 2. So that's negative 9. Determinant, and now you're going to be looking at those 2 elements and these 2 elements. So you can follow it like that. So we're going to sub in 1, 0, and 8, and 1. Okay. Erase that, and erase that. Next one. Take care of this piece. Plus a sub 3. This is your a sub 3 down below. So that's plus negative 3. Create your determinant. And now you're looking at those 4 elements. 1, 0, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move my page down. We've done determinants already that are dealing with 2 by 2s. So it's kind of like that butterfly where you multiply 3 and 1 together, 8 and 4 together, and then you subtract them. We do still have a 4 out in front, so we're going to leave it alone for a while. So 3 times 1 minus 8 times 4. And then we're going to simplify it. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 4 is negative 32. Continue simplifying. PEMDAS, 3 minus 32 is negative 29. And then multiply those values together to give you negative 116. All right. Now we're going to go to the green. Notice there is a minus minus in front of that 9, so we're going to change that to a plus 9. Now we're going to do the determinant. 1 times 1 minus 8 times 0. 1 times 1 minus 8 times 0. Now we're going to go ahead and simplify all that green. PEMDAS, plus 9. 1 times 1 is 1, minus 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 9, 1 minus 0 is 1. Multiply it, 9. All right, going on to the last piece in the blue. Plus minus makes that a minus 3. Determinant, butterfly, 1 times 4 minus 3 times 0. 1 times 4 minus 3 times 0. Simplify all the blue. Minus 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 0 is 0. Continue simplifying PEMDAS with the parentheses first. 4 minus 0 is 4. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then we go ahead and combine those terms together, adding and subtracting, and we're at 119 with a negative. So that is the determinant for that 3 by 3 matrix.